The WAVLINK AX1800 Outdoor Extender offers an exceptional Wi-Fi 6 experience with dual-band performance, ensuring smooth streaming and gaming even in outdoor settings. It features 4 high-gain 8 decibel isotropic antennas that deliver extensive coverage, eliminating dead zones and providing a stable connection across large areas. Designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, this device boasts an IP67 weatherproof rating, making it reliable in various climates including rain and snow. The extender is versatile, supporting multiple modes such as mesh networking, router, repeater, or access point, catering to different connectivity needs. With support for both active and passive power over Ethernet, it provides installation flexibility, allowing placement in locations without direct power access. Installation is straightforward, with mounting kits included, and WAVLINK offers comprehensive technical support to assist with any setup inquiries.